Hello, welcome to Germany of the IWA in Nuremberg. We are Messerfieber from Germany, from Nuremberg, and I see you the new fishing knife from us for 2026 of this year's. We designed this new knife, fishing knife, with a ball to hit the fish, and with one handle is a special fishing knife. And also we have some of outdoor and bushcraft knives, like this model is the new one from this year. It's the Nova 2026, and we have this with a steel 14C28 28N steel, and have a sheet too with a Feuerstero, and yes, this is Messerfieber. You're welcome to Nuremberg of the IWA. Thank you.